approximation is a condition of learning that introduces flexibility into the learning process. We refer to it as the freedom to get it almost right. Remember that natural conditions of learning are all about meaning making. The key idea here is that the learner builds their own unique associations to an idea. To foster that freedom for the learner, we can offer praise and encouragement at attempts to recreate patterns and employ concepts. Instead of striving for a perfect result, we can celebrate what a learner can build on and use that as a staging point for growth and improvement. This means accepting all momentum a learner creates and avoiding the dichotomy of right and wrong or success or failure. The merits of this approach are simple ones. When a learner feels safe and comfortable to explore a new skill or a new idea, they are more likely to do so. Approximation provides a kind of safety net by removing some of the anxiety around operating under a constant correction. It helps the learner develop the internal belief that it's safe for me to give this idea a try, even if I don't get it perfectly the first time, and that my understanding and relationship I build with concepts are valued. These internal beliefs are critical to the learner's creation of meaning. Cambourne provides an excellent example from his career in literacy theory. The more a language learner feels free to approximate while communicating in a language, the more opportunities that learner has for accelerated growth when compared to a learner that comes to fear constant criticism when writing or speaking. And when we restrict this freedom by focusing on what is correct or incorrect, or by requiring that students recall and regurgitate information as it was given to them, we undermine the natural process a learner uses to create meaning from that information. As an instructor, an educator, or when providing an explanation in conversation, we can communicate an approximation-friendly environment by encouraging a learner to share their own understanding of a concept before and after receiving an explanation. Asking questions, especially around an expectation or a demonstration that has been provided, can help show a learner that an approximate result is safe and acceptable. Questions like, what do you think this idea is about? Or, can you explain this concept to me as you understand it now? Or, what's your best guess based on what you know so far? Can allow the learner to discuss what they already know under low risk, value that learner's understanding, and give the educator insight into where their understanding can be improved. This flexibility is as crucial for self-guided learning as it is for learning through a curriculum or from an instructor, because freedom and willingness to approximate and to accept approximations takes advantage of our natural human capacity to relate to new or abstract information.